Good afternoon, everybody. So, on yesterday, I was watching a YouTube video made by Sow Love, and in her video, she was discussing how to use the male end of the squash flower to help pollinate the female end. And I'm looking for the male flowers on mine. Maybe my male flowers haven't developed yet on my squashes so that I can fertilize them. Maybe it takes a little bit more time. But when I was going down it, I couldn't find, these are real small, the male flower to help pollinate the female flower on my stalks. So, and this right here is a zucchini. So, I'm pretty sure you're probably going to do it the same way because they're both a type of squash. But yeah, so I can't find the male one, or maybe it's going to take some time for the male one to come out. You see all those? All those are going to be squashes, or maybe one of those will be a male flower. I can't wait to help to pollinate my squash. Well, anyway, that's all. Just letting y'all see my squash is coming along. Yay! Y'all have a good afternoon. Talk to y'all later.